Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you how can you download Windows 10 32-bit ISO file from Microsoft's official website. For that you need to go to any browser, then you have to search Windows 10 ISO. Then you just have to slightly scroll down and then click on this website, which is of official Microsoft's website. Then again you need to scroll down slightly, and here you have to click on this select edition and then click on Windows 10 multi edition ISO, then hit on confirm, then slightly wait. Then you need to select here product language. You can choose it according to your convenience. I will select here English International and then again hit on confirm. After few seconds it will validate your request. Now we need to download 32-bit ISO, so we will click on 32-bit download, and after clicking download will be initiated.